Do you love salted caramel? Do you love pecans? Well, then you will love this salted caramel pecan ice cream. First, we'll toast the pecans, then make the caramel sauce, and lastly, we will make the ice cream base. You'll need about half a cup of pecans or an alternative nut if you don't have pecans, like almonds. You'll want to melt the allulose over medium heat until it melts and turns from granular to liquid. It will begin to bubble and darken slightly. You want to caramelize it gently for a few minutes, stirring often until the allulose becomes a light amber color. Then you'll add the butter, reduce heat to low, and carefully whisk in the butter until fully melted and smooth. 1/4 cup warm heavy cream, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla, and 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon sea salt. Four ounces of softened cream cheese, half a cup of allulose, and optional 1 teaspoon instant espresso, a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon vodka, 1 cup of heavy cream, two cups half and half,
Our recipes will work with other ice cream makers, but we love the KitchenAid attachment. We've been using it for a little over 4 years now, and it is worth its weight in gold. It's paid for itself over and over again. Look at this beautiful texture. Oh, that's good.
Best one yet. They keep getting better.
I know. Did you know that pecan trees, or pecan trees, as some of us like to say, can live to up to 300 years old? There are actually some trees that were planted in the 1800s that are still around today, and they're still producing fruit. Now, did you know that they're actually a fruit and not a nut? And the shell is the pit, just like peaches and olives. If you're watching this somewhere outside of the United States and would like to make this recipe but cannot find pecans or pecans, then I would suggest using almonds. And as much as we love pecans here in the South, we thought they were native to Georgia, but actually it turns out that Texas is the largest producer of pecans in the United States. So the espresso powder really provides a little bit of depth in this base. So once we add the salted caramel sauce in here, it should pull that flavor out beautifully. So what we're doing is layering the ice cream. I'm gonna throw in some pecans or pecans. If you're interested in learning more about alternative sweeteners, I've put together a free sweetener guide that you can download using the QR code that you see on the screen. My husband and I have been on a wellness journey for a little over 4 years now, and one of the things that we enjoy eating is ice cream. We knew from the time that we started changing our lifestyle that we had to incorporate foods that we really enjoy. One of those things is ice cream, and for us, texture and creaminess and taste has to be perfect. And for a little over 4 years now, I've been making ice cream. I've been testing different sweeteners and different blends of milks and thickeners like cream cheese, vodka, and a couple of different things in order to get the perfect combination of creaminess and texture. This salted caramel pecan ice cream turned out so amazing that we think that you're going to love it too.